Welcome to Design 39 Campus, an innovative pre-K through 8th grade school in the Poway Unified School District. This video will help you to better understand our classroom groupings. Design 39 Campus will house approximately 1,400 students. There will be 2 classroom buildings, and each building will be 2 stories. Since relationships are very important at Design 39 Campus, teachers will work in pods or neighborhoods of about 6 teachers, and all 6 teachers will work together in a grade range and share their approximately 160 students. Design 39 Campus is a public school, so it will be staffed the same as our other schools. But because we are structuring school differently, this will allow for opportunities to be flexible with our approach to instructional groupings. You see on the screen the structure of a typical school, where each teacher is in their own classroom with their own group of students. In typical classrooms, teachers will group within their own classroom to try and fit the needs of their students. As you can see, in this classroom up here, the teacher is working with a small group while the other 3 students are working independently. And in this one, the teacher is working with one child and the rest of the students are working independently. Over here again, the teacher is working with small groups. In typical classrooms, the teacher will try to restructure, but because there is only one teacher in the classroom, this becomes a little bit more of a challenge. At Design 39 Campus, we will have times that look like this, where a teacher is with their homeroom. But because at Design 39 Campus, teachers will not have their own classroom, and they will truly collaborate on the needs of students, the different instructional settings will look differently at different times. Here's one example of how students can be grouped in Design 39 Campus. Over here, you have a teacher in the maker room where students in small groups are creating and prototyping a small group project. In the collab space, you have a larger group of students with one teacher, and this could be the teacher facilitating a campfire style setting where students are listening, or they could be there supervising student independent work sessions, where they really only need one teacher to facilitate because all the students are working independently. This group over here possibly could be students that really understand the content and need it at a more challenging level. So they could be working in a small group with a teacher to try and get more challenging on the content. Over here you have 2 teachers team teaching. And maybe this is a group that needs a little bit more support in the concept. So they open up the wall in between the 2 classrooms and now have a nice space for them to work comfortably as they really dive into the skills and assist the students at their level of need. Here's another example of a possible grouping at Design 39 Campus. Now over here in the collaboratory space, we have a group project going on where the teacher is there to assist and facilitate, and all students are working in groups of 4. And the larger group down here, this could be possibly a direct instruction lecture style, or what we call campfire style, where the teacher is delivering the content to the students. And in this room over here, along with this room and this room, you have teachers working in more small groups at a variety of needs and a variety of levels, not just working with struggling students. And here could be an example of with mixing up students like this, you can have time to work one-on-one with a student as needed. At Design 39 Campus, all individuals work with a growth mindset. And by teachers collaboratively sharing students and flexibly grouping, we're able to work smarter to meet the needs of all of our students, to help us personalize and individualize learning, integrate curriculum, and keep students engaged in purposeful learning experiences.